So guys, this was the most easiest mod I've done on all out of all my 97 cars to put headlights. I couldn't believe it. This was way too easy and it's functional. I want you to check this out. Okay, that's a styrene piece. I measure the holes where the lead is gonna go, those blue tubes. Okay, and that's outside. I could remove it as well. It's only held by 2 screws, and the leads fit in perfectly. Now check this out. Wait till you see the leads I want to put in. Check it out, guys. My blinking lights. I forgot I had these. If I would have known this, I would have put this on my D12. But I'm not taking shit apart from none of them just to put these. These go fast at times, and then it slows down. Then they start blinking. Let me shut off the light completely. Oh yeah. I think that shit look cool. But the way I'm gonna wire this, they're gonna be on the motor lead from the SG. So they're not gonna have no on and off switch. So I'm debating if they will get too hot or what. That's gonna be the choice. Because I was gonna put them white, but I ran out of white and I just ordered them. But time being, I could leave them until the white ones come in. That shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, hope you like my mod. This is how the LEDs will fit in. By the way, there you go. Let me turn on this flash so you can see better. Okay, they go fit in nice and snug. That's a big pen tube. I had a spare laying around. This is good plastic for stuff like this. You just gotta make the hole a little bigger for the LED to fit in and fit snug. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that info. Laters.